Hi guys, Aniq here. So, a couple of days ago, we just got the Apple Watch Series 3, the brand new with cellular data. So, we're really excited to unbox it. So, this is how the front of the cover looks like. And then on the side over here, this is what it shows. And then on the back, it just has like the information and other stuff where it's made. So without further ado, let's get unboxing. So when we first open it, this is the first thing we find. Designed by Apple in California. So in this is like instructions. It tells what some things are. Here. And over here too on the back. It tells how to put the band on. Then over here are just some little specs about it, like some little ideas. And then this is a longer band. So if this band's too short, you can use this one. Just put this to the side. So let's first look at this. So this is the charging port. Okay. And this is the charging cable. Okay. So now let's get to the watch. Let's take this out. So this is the watch. So it came with a pink band. We got it in the color golden over here. So let's take off the wrapper. So on the back here, if you compare it to the Series 1, on the Series 1 I think there's like 4 dots. And then over here, yeah, this is thinner than the Series 1. Over here they put like a dot just to tell that it's I think it's over here maybe, where you put the Series 1. This is the Series 3. So yeah, so let's see. So this one, they both kind of look the same here, except but this one's a little larger because this has 42 and that's 36, 38. So this one has 2 microphones here, while this one only has 1. If you can see. Now let's look.